See this guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can make more than thousands and thousands of dollars from this website guys in order to become a Amazon FBA seller. Okay, not just becoming a seller, but you just need to promote these products to Amazon sellers. And you can see this guys, per month you can also create from one user, you can also create approximately $500, okay, and much more from this platform. How to do it? Just watch this video till the end and I'll show you step by step how you yourself can earn this much amount of money from per person on daily basis. Hello guys, what's up? And in this video I'm going to show you how you can earn money online from Amazon product. Guys, it's not actually an Amazon product, but it will help Amazon sellers to do their profitable business, and that's what we need to do guys. In order to earn more, help them to earn more, we are giving them the software which will help them to grow their business. How to do it? Just watch this video till the end guys. This software is basically for those people who wants to increase their Amazon selling, okay, just like your guys affiliate incomes and all. Okay, they are just doing the traffic research, okay, whatever product it is, okay, whatever product it is, let us suppose Amazon Fire Stick it is, okay, so it will give you the customers, potential keywords, as well as lots and lots of related things which are needed for an affiliate marketer to do a compatible business. Okay, so guys, we don't have to spend a penny from our pocket, okay, not even a single penny from our pocket, okay, don't worry. We just need to sell this software to the marketers. And guys, the best way of doing this thing, you can see this guys, over $230 million plus this website have earned through this kind of things, okay. And you can see this guys, they have their small some packages that we need to sell to our audience. And guys, the best part of this is you just need to click on this affiliates, okay. I just show you these affiliates, and you can see this guys, affiliates earn up to 100% of the first month. Guys, whatever affiliate income you will generate from this means you have sold this product, okay. Let us suppose you have sold this product of approximately $500 product, okay. You have sold this product guys, you will get 100% commission, means you will get these $500 in your pocket, okay, for first. No matter what type of sales you do, how many number of sales you are do, this website will give you 100% first month commission, okay. And it's the best thing that you can ever get from this website, okay guys. So what we need to do guys, first what we need to do for this, in order to do certain things and how to promote our products, how to promote this software, I'll show you step by step how to create advertisement, okay. We'll see each and everything in order to make you earn money online. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, so that I will help you guys more to earn money, okay, to set up your own profitable business, okay. So first of all, what you need to do guys, just click on this sign up button, okay, and you just need to give your email address. So I just quickly gave an email address, okay, and just click on this next step, okay. And you can see this guys, I am just come up here in this account section, and these are the products that we need to sell, okay. So now what we need to do guys, you can see this, just come up here down and you can see this affiliates, okay. Just click on this affiliates button, okay, and you can see this guys, get my affiliate link. So for that guys, what I need to do, I just first of all I just need to have some ad, okay. I just need to create an ad, okay. In order to promote something, I just need to create an ad. So I just come up here in this canva.com, okay, and just click on this create designs and just search ads, okay. you can see this, guys, various kind of ads you can create. Story ads, okay, Facebook apps, Facebook shops ads, and hundreds and hundreds of ads you can see. So I just click on this story ad, okay, and I show you guys how you yourself can create your own ad and started earning money from this. Okay, we'll see lot and lot of stuffs with this. You can see this. So let us suppose I have took one of this we can say that one of this product, okay. Let us suppose this is my ad that I need to create. Okay, this is my ad that I need to create. So guys, I have selected this. Okay, so I just need to delete this, okay, and set the things as per your requirements. Okay, so I can do one thing, guys, is to change the color here. Okay, I just need to give a good color. Okay, so this is a good color. Okay, and I just show you how to do it, guys. Okay, and you can do it on your own. These are the things that you can do it on your own. Okay, on yellow, what it looks like, let me just see. Okay, let me just see. Okay, so you can give this thing like increase an Amazon sale, increase Amazon sale. Okay, because it's a festive season, then you can give the sale. Okay, you can select this thing. Okay, you can give in this manner, guys. Okay, and you can say limited offer. Okay, so you can give this type of ad. Okay, want to increase an Amazon sale, so I just need to set it right. Okay, okay, so I just need to change the color. Okay, so the color here, it looks good. Okay, now it's look good. Want to increase Amazon sale. Okay, so you can set up as per your requirements. Okay, so you can drag and drop this. Okay, and what you can do, guys, limited offer, and just need to post Amazon logo. So you can see this, guys, this is an Amazon logo. Okay, which will help people to attract more. Okay, so you can see this. Okay, so you just need to put this thing, guys. I'm just showing you for the you can create your own stuff. Okay, good stuff for yourself. Okay, either you can give market or shop. Okay, whatever you can give. Okay, as per your requirements you can give it. Okay, you can see this. These kind of props you can make for creating an advertisement. I just show you, guys, because lots and lots of people are asking me a question and always trying to say that, sir, please help us to create advertisements as well. Okay, how we can create it? Just need to click on this download button. Okay, and now you can do the designing part and all. Okay, so guys, in the meantime the video is getting downloaded. So what you need to do, just click on this get my affiliate link. Okay, in your site you just need to click on this get my affiliate link, and it will redirect it to this page, and just click on this affiliates. Okay, just click on this affiliates. So you can see this, guys, this is my affiliate link that I can post. Okay, I just need to copy this link. So guys, for now what we need to do is to just come up here in this Pinterest.com. Okay, Pinterest is the best website, guys, where you can generate a good amount of traffic. Okay, where you can sell on monthly basis, or we can say that daily basis. Millions and millions of people can do their part of thing. Okay, do good amount of affiliate marketing from this Pinterest. Not even bloggers, but also we can say that affiliate marketers, bloggers, and who are creating new articles, they are all doing the marketing part on this platform. Okay, so what I need to do guys is to just upload my advertisement here. You can see this. I just need to upload my advertisement here. You can see, and what I need to type here is to increase your Amazon sale. Okay, and you can give want to increase your Amazon sale. Okay, give the same description as it is. Okay, and you can give another thing as well, and just paste your link here. Okay, and just click on this publish button, and you can see this guys, it will automatically load it, and you can see this, it will take some time to upload, and you can see this guys, my link is getting posted over this platform. Okay, now anyone who came to this, you can see this, they just click on this and they are redirected to this page. Okay, and if they purchase a particular thing, they are getting paid for that. Similarly for guys Facebook account. Okay, so lots and lots of people are asking me a question that, sir, how to make our affiliate link more powerful on Facebook. So what you can do guys, in order to make it, you just need to join groups of Amazon. Okay, just you need to click on this Amazon. Okay, and guys, you just come up here and this groups. Okay, just click on these groups. Okay, and you need to join these groups guys. Okay, you need to join these groups. So what you need to do, you can see this guys, there are Amazon sellers all over the globe who can earn, you can see this FBA. Okay, so you just need to join this group. Okay, and you can post this advertisement over there, a discussion forum. Okay, over there discussion forum. So if you just join it, so what you need to do guys is to just click on this. Okay, and just upload it. So I just show you how to upload it. This is my thing. Okay, and you just need to post your link here and just click on this post button, and that's the only thing that you need to do. Okay, it will do some time to do the validation, and your post is being processed. Okay, so it is being processed, and whenever it is ready, it will show you the notification that your advertisement is ready. Now you can do the rest of the things that you can do. Okay guys, so this is what is all about guys. Okay, so just come up here and try these things guys. It's a best platform where you can also earn good amount of money. You can see the pricing part and all. Okay, where you can even get 100% commission for your first month guys. Okay, so I hope you like this video guys. Okay, I'll show you each and every step how to create an ad and how to post it on social media. Okay, to generate a passive income for you. If you like this video, just subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share it to all and each and every people guys, so that there is always a motivation to give you the best content. Till then, happy earning.